Namaste yogis, welcome. My name is Kassandra and I'm super excited to share with you a brand new series available on my Yoga with Kassandra mobile app. This is very near and dear to my heart. This is a Yin Yoga and Affirmation series. So on my YouTube channel, I have a few Yin Yoga classes that incorporate the use of affirmations in our Yin Yoga poses. And this is a practice that I've personally been doing for years and years now and only recently felt brave enough to share with the world and share with students, and I'm so happy that you guys have really resonated with it, and a lot of you have been asking me to create more content around this. So in this exclusive series, I really dive deep into the topic of Yin Yoga paired with affirmations. We have 6 full-length practices ranging from like 30 minutes all the way up to more than an hour long that explore different themes like love and compassion, imagination and intuition, healing the inner child, confidence and self-esteem. We also have abundance and success. So some really great topics that I'm sure a lot of you will be interested in. So very simply, the process of integrating Yin Yoga poses with affirmations is pretty much the way it sounds. For every Yin Yoga asana that we'll be in, I'll be telling you an affirmation, and all you need to do is repeat it over to yourself and notice how it makes you feel. There's something really powerful that happens when we integrate these 2 healing modalities together. This is, to me, one of the best ways that I've been able to take my yoga practice beyond the physical. It really helps me tap into emotional health, mental health, and also spiritual development and spiritual growth. So as we listen to affirmations and as we learn to relax our bodies and let our body release tension, it becomes easier to dive deeper into our emotional states. And by repeating these affirmations to ourselves, we're able to do some pretty deep inner work and a lot of reflection as well. One of the other modalities that really goes hand in hand to me with Yin Yoga and affirmations is journaling. So at the end of every Yin Yoga practice, I'm going to be encouraging you guys to grab pen and paper and to write down what happened from your experience. This is one way that we can really process the experience, integrate it fully, and also explore the themes a little bit deeper. Some affirmations might be hard for you to listen to, while others might feel really good and really easy. One is not better than the other. We're not trying to reach any kind of goal. These are just pointers that guide us inwards and that show us which areas need a little bit more love, a little bit more healing, and which areas we're already feeling pretty good and pretty strong in. So I would love for you to join me in this Yin Yoga and Affirmation series. Again, this is only available on my mobile app. The link to that is down below in the description box. There is a free 7-day trial, so you can just give it a try, and if it's not for you, don't worry about it. You can just cancel it. But even then, honestly, I make the app super accessible. And if you'd like to play around just to see if Yin Yoga and affirmations is right for you, definitely try the few classes that I have around that theme on my YouTube channel. Check it out, notice how you feel, and if you want to dive even deeper into it, then this series is going to be right up your alley, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. So thank you all so very much, and I hope to see you inside that series, Yin Yoga and Affirmations. Namaste.